Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 55. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, if you like this collection, if you like these dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 55. If you'd like to see the previous 54, all you have to do guys is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. I look forward to finishing it with you guys, so make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. We're just gonna continue on. Here it just shows a butcher shop during the Victorian age. There you can see the butcher there. And here it talks about desk in general during this time. It's really nice. Look at the nice wood. It's really beautiful. And there you have the comparison of the desk to a book of matches. That's pretty impressive. And here guys, it walks you through of how to connect these two wooden pieces to the dollhouse. It tells you exactly how to do it step by step. And guys, don't worry, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do it, and we will build the dollhouse together guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, you know the drill. I really guys, I'm like kinda anxious to finish this. I cannot wait to do it. And there is how it will look once you have it finished. And here it talks about Buffalo Bill's Wild West. It was a show that was really popular during this time frame. that monetized the whole cowboys and robbers type thing. Sometimes, guys, these magazines are a bit hard to open. There we go. And of course, you have Annie Oakley, who was a great shot. There you have an advertisement for the show. Very cool. Where people could see not only Annie Oakley shooting, but you could also see horseback rides and cowboys doing different tricks on horses, that sort of thing. It's a bit stuck again. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And here it talks about Sitting Bull. And well, guys, that's the end of that. There you just have the front of the dollhouse. And as I said before, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, guys, now it's time to check out our new additions to the dollhouse. Alright, guys, so here we have our new wooden pieces for the dollhouse. It's just like the previous ones we unboxed. It has that groove. There you can see the bottom there. And on the other side too. Get it back in focus. There we go. And here's the second one. It's just the same as the first. And well, guys, now it's time to check out our brand new bread and like cutting tray and little knife. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. I'm just gonna move this to the side. It comes in this little zip lock. Here we go. It looks really cute. You have this little knife here with 2 slices of bread. And then the rest of the loaf here. Let's see the underside. The underside is just plain. What do you guys think? Does that look good enough to eat? Tell me, what do you guys think down in the comments below? And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I stream a live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.